In the past video I did some months ago, I showed you how to do a toilet paper origami triangle design, and we transformed a simple triangle fold into something fancy using a tape or faucet stamp. In this video, we are taking it up a notch, y'all. It's gonna be even more fancy. I will show you how to fold toilet paper like a hotel, but this time using these cute stamps I got from Michaels. You can also get them on Amazon. I'll put a link below in the description box. You also need a little bit of water for this design, so let's do this. Look how pretty this is, y'all. So which one is your favorite design between the faucet stamp or this flower stamp? Let me know in the comments below. This toilet paper designs is a reminder that something ordinary can turn into something extraordinary. Do you agree with me? Remember, you are an amazing human, loved and valuable. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.